Hello guys, I want to talk today about stormgain. Stormgain is a trading platform where you can trade different cryptocurrencies, and if you want to know how to make money with this platform, so you have to stick to this video, watch till the end, and enjoy the video. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Album Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites so we can always bring you the best, nothing but the best. If today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so you can always get notification once I upload videos like this. So let's go into the video. Alright guys, today I'm going to talk about stormgain and how you can be making profits with this platform. But before I go any further, there's a feature on this platform I would like to show you guys, which is the mining features. Okay, let me just show you. Come over to more. Okay, so click on the more tab, and when you get to the more tab, you get this page. You click on the crypto miner. Oh no, my connection is a bit kind of slow right now. Let's see, let's go back a bit and do this again and do this. Oh no. All right, maybe we'll just continue with this tutorial. I'll come back to that to show you more of how to mine on crypto tab, sorry, on stormgain. um Actually, you can mine on stormgain, and the features is just for you to mine. Once you get to the minimum threshold, which is 10 USDT, you can withdraw and send it to your balance, where you can start trading, and from the profit you make, you can withdraw to your wallet. So that's really what it's all about. But I wanted to show you, and I'm still going to show you. Stick to this video. I'm still going to show you how to do that. Okay, now now if you want to trade on this platform and make some profit daily from this platform, all you need to do is to select the cryptocurrency you want to trade with. Most of the time I like using the Bitcoin, the BTC USDT, because it fluctuates a lot, so you can when it fluctuates a lot, you can easily sell and buy. You can take profits and stop your loss easily, and fast. So that's why I prefer using it anyway. So first of all, before you go any further, you need to create an account on this platform, and to do that, I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video below. You can just click on it, sign up onto the platform, register an account. Once you finish with that, you can download the app on your phone and you are good to go. So there are some basic things I would like you to understand about this platform before you try and open anything trade, before you do anything on this platform. Now, first of all, I would like you to understand this this tab up over here. Okay, the first one with 1M means 1 minute anyway, so let me open it. Here you can select the way you want to see the charts. If you want to see the 1 minute interval, 5 minute interval, 15 minute, 30, 1 hour, and so on. As for me, I always put it on 1 minute interval, so I know what's going on within the next 1 minute. I can know what to do, and the previous 1 minute that passed, I can compare and know what is going on this chart. And also, the second one here, it's area. I prefer using the candlestick. The area, it's always the default ones that come, but I prefer using the candlesticks, because with the candlestick you can see clearly how the price is fluctuating, how it's going up and down. You can really see here. As you can see already, you can see for yourself the way the price is moving, the way the chart is. So let me just continue. So then from here you can also select indicators. There are lots of indicators you can use. It depends on the ones that you prefer. Everybody with their favorites. As for me, I like using moving average. Okay, let me just show you. Put moving average here. Okay, there are a lot of moving average anyway, but I just take the I prefer taking the simple one, just moving average itself. Here you are. Okay, you can see now, you can see the line, you can see that's the moving average in the chart already. So with why I like using it, because it gives me with the moving average, I understand the chart better. I know when to place a trade, when to cut some, when to take profit, and when not to, when to stop loss. Because maybe I'm going to show you guys and talk more about that later, how it works and how we can make the maximum take maximum advantage of it. So indicators, candlestick, 1 minute interval, that's all I like using, and with it I am good to go. So now, if you want to place a trade, already, now you can see the candlestick going down. So if you want to place a trade, when it's going down, you should buy. You should buy. And to buy, all you need to do is just click here. All you need to do is click on this button. I'm not taking any trade serious here right now. I'm just trying to show you how the platform works and how you can use this platform. So with time, I'm going to do a real video of how you can really make trade and make profit with it on this platform. So I'm just showing you right now how it works. So once you click the trade, the buy button, all you need to do. Okay, why is this? I just want to see the candlestick. Yes, thank you. And back here, let's fix everything back to normal. I don't know, it's the internet connection that is moving average. Yes, where you at? Thank you. Okay, we're back to normal. We're good to go. Okay, so if you want to place a trade now, I already click on the buy button. So now I just have to confirm. But before you do that, you need to put the amount you want to use. So now here you come over here. This is a demo version, so you can see all the prices are here. So you can put any amount, but the minimum, when you are using a real account, the minimum is 10 USDT that you can use to place your trade. So but for here, I'm just gonna put 1000 USDTs, so you understand some stuff. Okay, now the 1000, then the leverage. If you're using a real account, and you're a novice, you don't know how to trade, I advise you leave this thing on 10. You don't go more than 10. You can just go this way. Okay, done. I advise you leave this on 10, because the more, if you increase it, it's just the same way. If you're gonna be gaining more, it's the same way you're going to be losing. If you're going to be losing, you just know you're going to be losing big too. So you need to understand this thing. So you need to really understand this stuff. You don't just open trade and just click anything. You have to take your time to study this. So okay, let's say that's that. Now we want to place a trade with this 1000 USDT, and all I need to do now, after all I've set up, I just need to click here to confirm the trade, confirm my order, and okay, order has been placed. Oh, my internet connection is real bad. So order have been placed. Straight. All right, so you can see the trade we placed is open. We have a trade that is open right now, and as you can see, it's in a profit. We are already earning. That's plus. Once you can see the plus sign, you know you're in profit. So you can see We are really, you can see we're in profit right now. Yes, 2 3 4, that's, we're making profit right now. So if you want to cut you want to close your trade, all you need to do right now is just close out. Oh no, it's in loss right now. But anyway, all you need to do is you close your trade over here. I'm just trying to show you how to open and close your trade. So okay, now we've closed the trade. The trade is closed. The trade is closed. So it's a very easy platform to use anyway. So the trade is closed, and I'll be making another video to show you how to set your profit and take loss, how to take your profit and stop loss also on this platform. So it's I think I will be stopping there for now, and that's how to use the platform generally. And okay, I told you I'm going to be showing you how to mine. So let's go back to the mining, to the more tab, and see if our miner is up now. Okay, okay, here you are. You can see I from my mining, I've mined like 2.67 USDT. So if you want to activate this, all you need to do is activate your miner every 4 hours, which is here. Just all you need to click here, and you wait for it to be activated. You see, already it's going. So every 4 hours, all you need to do is come here, click on this activation button, and your miner will be activated and you're good to go. So if you're going to be signing up with this, my link in the description, you're definitely going to be getting 3 USDT on your balance, on your mining balance. So all you need to do is just to mine 7 USDT, and you can withdraw the 10 USDT at the end of the mining, and you can go ahead and trade with it and make some profit. I'm gonna be making more videos on how to really make profits and show you how I've been making profits on this platform. I actually started using it not long ago, and it's really an interesting platform. I'll also show you how to make deposits on the platform, and so on. There are a lot of stuffs you need to know about this platform. You just click on the link in the description, sign up to the platform, and go through everything. It is an interesting platform anyway. So guys, I'll see you again in my next video. So smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the notification sign so you can get more of this kind of videos. And don't forget to do what? Give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up. It's gonna motivate me to keep doing stuff like this for you guys. All right, guys, and take care. See you next time. Ciao.